Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download OneXBet in iPhone Philippines. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your settings. Once in settings, go to your name. Once here, go to mention purchases, then to view account. Once in view account, go to country or region, and then change your country or region. Scroll down to Cyprus. Once you see Cyprus, change the country or region you're in and come back to your App Store. Once in App Store, type OneXBet on the search bar and you can obtain easily your app. That was all for this video.